Welcome everyone. My name is Marilyn, Stamping Creations with Marilyn, and today I'd like to just share a couple of tips with you on your ink pads and how to put labels on them. And as you can see here, I have a storage unit that holds my ink pads and markers, and I just wanted to share that with you because as I was cleaning up today, you can kind of see I've been doing a few things. I'm going to show you a couple of those things that I've been doing, still covered in ink. But as I was cleaning this up, I took a second look at it and just want you to realize that it's very well made. They stack together. I've got 5 for the 5 in colors, and they do stack on top. You can have more. And I've been using them, but never realized they do have stoppers here, so you can only put the ink pad in so far. It looks out, I guess if you want to call it that. And this is what you see when you've got it on your shelf. So, further to putting labels that come on the back of your ink pad onto your ink pad, I'm going to show you what I do with those. I have something, pokey tool, that's sharp and will help me. On the back, you can see you've got, and this is cloud cover. It was only available to demonstrators, so I did get one, just because the small stamping spots are not my thing. So there's cloud cover, there's in 1, 2, 3, 4 languages. And if you look carefully, there is labels that come off. So I just, if I can get a hold of it, peel that one off. The one for English, because I am English, I put right here on the front. And try to get it centered, but so when it's in my stand, it will show there. Then, because the others are there, I don't want to have them go not get their share. So I do take one and put it on each side, so if the ink pad is open, I can see the color. So one there, and one on this side. Again, like I say, just because they are available. Another one on the back. Again, in case, that one does say cloud cover again, so I believe it is 2 English, or there are 2 English ones, but it is. You can see that. And then I have one left, and that one I do like to put in here, in this inside groove. So I will take it off before I open that up for good. And it does fit very nicely, if you've got the patience, in this little trough. And then when I do have it, again, when I have it open, I've got another visual of what color that ink is. If your lid is quite sticky, like this one appears to be, a good idea is to run some kind of wax, if you have it, just in the track, and that will help it. And a few times, of course, of opening and closing will help it work a lot better as well. So there is my labels on. It will slide into there and be stopped by that. And there I have my set of 5 ink pads. You can get them. That's the number, 149168. They are in the online store, so you won't see them in the catalog anymore, but they are there. So if you want to get some of those, they're a great tool to have in your craft room. Now, to show you why my fingers were this color, I have been prepping new stamp sets and die sets. So lots of inking, and this is what I do with them. I cut out the dies, I stamp, and then I have these in a binder so I can flip through the binder and figure out what I'd like to play with next. Hope you've enjoyed that, and it's given you some inspiration to get your ink pads labeled and on your shelf. Take care now.